Shantui DH46 C3 bulldozer is a big power, hydrostatic bulldozer newly developed for complicated working conditions, such as open pit mining and large earthwork projects. It carries Shantui's 70 years of manufacturing experience. The cab has FOPS and ROPS function and a wide view to keep operators safe and make job done quickly. With enhanced ergonomics, its operating system has been more easy and labor-saving. In the cab, you can see the air suspension seat and a 10.1-inch touch screen with an intuitive menu structure. Low-effort steering, ripper and dozer controls are easily accessible, resulting in a more comfortable ride. Cummins QS-X15 engine fit Shantui auto-match power modes could meet the power demands under different applications. The standard semi-U blade has a capacity of 13.7 cubic meters, and the perfect design curve plate makes dozing work smoother. The single shank ripper can easily crack hard materials. The tilt cab, safety passageway, ground-level service access and filters make the maintenance easier.